This a broadcast Jamaican with the fat girl pitney and the mango.
The fat girl pitney. Long time ago, them have one fat little girl pitney. She yam so much, her mother and father never know what to do with her. A morning time, she yam 6 egg. Lunchtime, she yam one whole of kingfish and one big breadfruit. For dinner, she yam one whole of chicken and one pot of rice. That coming like nothing to her. And what we are going to do with little mampy girl pitney, the mother said. We don't have no money and she yam too much. She craving bad. I true, yeah, I thought the father answer and say, she too swatty. We have to go send her go her granny. She will deal with her case. In the morning, the father and the fat girl start walk her granny yard. Granny did live in the mountain. Them would have to walk far for reach her yard. And never easy something. Little after them start walk, the little girl pitney start bawl. Me hungry. Me want something for yam. Me never bring no food, her father say. And it too early. The little girl pitney start bawl again. Same time, them pass one big old mango tree. The little girl pitney see enough big mango on the ground. Her father never tap, but she tap and take up one. When she go fi name the mango, she hear sitting. She look pan the mango. Sitting never right. The mango did I try tell her sitting. The mango say, do, me I beg you, do not name me. The little girl pitney frightened so till. Me afi name you, the fat girl pitney say, me hungry, me I go name you now. Do, the mango say, if you name me, something I go do you. But if you don't name me, something good I go happen to you. The little girl pitney laugh, kuya. Yeah, mango, she say, you can't do me nothing. So she name off the mango. Then she picked 10 more and name them off too. If she did ever know. Little after that, guess what happened? The little fat girl pitney couldn't open her mouth. She couldn't talk. She couldn't name. She just sit down under the mango tree with her face makeup. One nether mango in the tree say, you love name too much. Kupan you. You can't name. You can't chat. You can't even open your mouth. The fat girl look up on the mango. She couldn't say one thing. She just looked sad. It come like say she want ball, so the mango sorry for her. Me will make you open your mouth again, the mango tell her say. But if you name too much, me will just lock you back. Go and go catch up your father, he might look for you. Same time the girl pitney say she could have opened her mouth again. Little after that, the girl run and catch up her father. She well happy to see him. Him said to her, say, me did I look for you? You must be hungry now. You can't name that bunya. That alright, the little fat girl say. Me not hungry again. Her father frightened to hear that. Him did happy and she did happy too. She could have opened her mouth. But she would have never named so much again.
That a broadcast Jamaican and we just gave the story, the fat girl pitney and the mango. Make sure you like the video and follow our channel for hear more story in the Jamaican language. Walk good.